To connect your contactor, the low pressure, the high pressure, all that, guys. Just don't connect the blower. We're gonna connect the blower right now.
Do we need wires or maybe wires? Can you grab my tools?
So I want you to remove it and then connect it all. Just don't connect the blower, right? You guys can connect it and then you guys understand what's happening.
This is small.
Even this, I wouldn't know what these are for.
Because these are your speeds.
Loop, line H, XFMR, H.
Those are your speeds. Are those your speeds or are these your speeds?
No, this is clean cool. These speeds are